Hi there, here for another mod pack message, and today we're just going to run through some of the mod pack accessories and tools that come which are available in the mod packs. We have a Deadblow Hammer. So a Deadblow Hammer is really good so you don't damage the work surface when you strike it. If we strike something with a ball peen hammer, most likely we're going to dent it, not the old JBS tool set. But with this, we can actually use same amount of force and get more of an impact. If we come over here, I'll strike a piece of channel, and here you'll probably get a much better idea of the kind of impact that we can get. So no damage to the surface, no damage to the hammer. So this is our little Deadblow hammer. Comes in the mod pack sets.